A pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Tahoe. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 172,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.